Hey y'all, Ashley here from PVC Fittings Online. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and inexpensive tablet holder. And the best thing about this project is it's 100% customizable. You can buy furniture fittings, that way it's whatever color you choose, and the size can vary based on the size of your tablet. So today, we're just going to use 1-inch PVC pipes and fittings, but you can use really anything from 3/4 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch. All you'll need is a 5-way T, 2 90-degree elbows, and then 3 pieces of pipe. One that's roughly 3 inches, and then 2 that are 1.5 inches. You'll take your 5-way T, put your 3-inch piece in the top, take your 2 1.5-inch pieces, place them like that, and then put your 90-degree elbows on the end of those. And there you have it. It's all done. You've made your tablet holder. If you want to give it a more polished, refined look, you can buy end caps. You just stick them on like that. It just makes everything look a little more finished. And then there you go, a holder for your tablet.